Hello everyone and salam sejahtera. My name is Piers Astrop, and as we know, we are going to ask a few questions on our selected respondents on diabetes type 1. So without further ado, I would like to introduce my group members.
Hi, my name is Fredora.
Hello, I am Melissa Tommy.
Okay, so hello there. So my name is Preston.
Hello, my name is Susan Bintition. So, before we start, we would like all of you to introduce yourself.
So hello there, greetings. My name is Leron Yambao. You can call me Leron or Lon, which is my nickname. And I am 19 years old this year. And I am a student at Uitm campus Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Diploma in Applied Science, AS 102 Part 1.
Hello, my name is Michael Mage. I'm 21 years old, Part 5 students taking Diploma in Science.
Hi, my name is Eva Anshela Jarin. I am 20 years old. I am from Part 4 and taking Diploma in Accountancy.
Hi, I'm Mohammad Shofi.
Good job and thank you everyone. Now, let's proceed with question 1. So, do all of you know what is diabetes type 1 or DT1 is?
Actually, I have heard it before, if I'm not mistaken. The full name of DT1 is diabetes type 1, isn't it? Yeah, it is kind of disease that our body does not be able to produce the insulin.
Based on my understanding, diabetes type 1 is related to our pancreas, where the pancreas produces a little or no insulin.
My opinion, honestly, I do not know what is diabetes type 1. Maybe it also have type 2, which is I don't know. And I only know what is diabetes. Too general, but that's all I know. And this diabetes that I do know is caused by our huge consumption of sugar.
Yes, I know. As I know, type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition that occurs when the body immune system attacks the beta cells living in the tissue of the pancreas.
To be honest, no, I'm not very sure of it.
Do you have any experience dealing with diabetes type 1 patient? Maybe you have a family member or friends who suffer from it?
Actually, I got so many friends and family members who have this disease. I'm really sad because whenever I see their conditions, they look so tired, even they sleep or rest for the whole day. Maybe their bodies feel weak, they feel very weak due to the lack of energy, or in the biology field, we call it as glucose. Glucose is the most important thing in the human body.
No, I don't. I don't have any experience with diabetes type 1 patient.
So far, I did not have any experience with patient having a diabetes type 1 disease.
No, I have never encountered of experienced such disease before within my range of family members and friends.
To be honest, no, I'm not really aware of anyone in my group of friends or family that has this disease, so no.
Do you think diabetes type 1 is curable? Why?
No, I don't think diabetes type 1 is a curable disease because the patients of diabetes type 1, most of them depends on daily insulin injection. Without injection, it will risk them, and sometimes if it is not likely, it will lead them to the death.
I don't think diabetes type 1 can be cured because, as can be seen nowadays, there is no cure for diabetes, which makes the people with type 1 diabetes will need a treatment for the rest of their life.
I do think that this diabetes type 1 is curable due to the medication that have been told by the doctors themselves.
I'm not really sure. Maybe
Actually, I read about it a while ago, and currently, type 1 diabetes cannot be cured because people with type 1 diabetes require injectable insulin because their pancreas does not produce enough on its own. So, there are different types of insulin and different routes of administration. That's why, in my opinion, I think prevention is better than a cure.
Now let's proceed to question 4. So where do you think it came from?
Maybe diabetes type 1 caused by genus? Yeah. It passes through the generation from the old one, from our grandmother, to the new generation. For example, the small kids. Yeah, it passes through the generation.
In my opinion, diabetes type 1 probably come from genetics, and maybe the environmental factors also play a part of it.
In my opinion, this diabetes type 1 came from our huge consumption of sugar, whether it is from water, from food. As long as we are taking too much sugar, then only we can get diabetes.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to this too.
Actually, anytime someone mentions diabetes, I always think of an individual having too much sugar intake.
What is your opinion on taking care of one's health?
The opinion taking care of one's health or the benefit is to increase the energy levels and have a better ability to accomplish our daily goals, such as doing homework or studying or maybe cleaning home. Yeah, it is all we are be able to concentrate any task given, and also we will be happy with the good health of body.
For me, taking care of our health is the first priority that we have to do because when we're living a healthy lifestyle, it can help to prevent a chronic disease and long-term illnesses. There are plethora tips for staying healthy such as do physical exercise like jog and cardio workouts, eat a well balanced, and of course get enough sleep. On the other hand, we also have to take care of our mental health.
As a typical Malaysian, I would say to people out there to always drink enough water, take your vitamin C because due to this pandemic that we have been facing, it is very crucial to take your vitamin C. And please do exercise at least 2 times a week.
Well, for me, I think that this is as simple as steering from eating healthy foods. This includes cutting on eating sugary foods and refined carbs. Another thing is also to work out regularly. Performing physical activity on a regular basis may help prevent this. Make sure to also drink a lot of water. That's all, maybe.
I mean, we can do so by doing simple things such as exercising regularly, which will clean toxic in our body, and probably keeping a balanced diet.
That's all from us. Thank you for participating.